Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into why the aluminum motorcycle ramp is hands down the best folding aluminum loading ramp for motorcycles, ATVs, lawnmowers, and more. Whether you're a weekend rider or a pro hauling gear regularly, this ramp might be exactly what you've been looking for. Let's start with the build quality. This ramp is made from aluminum, giving it the perfect balance between strength and portability. It's sturdy enough to handle up to 750 pounds, yet light enough to move around without strain. It not only looks professional but also holds up well against rust and weather elements, making it a great choice for all seasons. Now, convenience is where this product really shines. It features a folding design, which means it takes up minimal space when not in use. Fully expanded, it measures a generous 87 inches in length and 11 inches in width, giving you enough runway for motorcycles and equipment to glide smoothly onto your truck bed or trailer. When folded, it's just over 37 inches, making it easy to stash in your garage, shed, or even your truck cab. One thing you'll appreciate right away is how user-friendly the setup is. To install, just unfold the ramp, remove the plate bracket from the back, and mount it securely on the front screw holes. This ensures a firm grip on your vehicle's edge, giving you confidence while loading. And let's talk safety for a second. This ramp features a hollowed-out surface that prevents water buildup. That's important because it boosts traction and reduces the risk of tire slippage, especially in wet conditions. It also comes with load straps that you can use to secure the ramp during loading, which adds another layer of safety. But a word to the wise, always wear gloves when handling the ramp. The folding mechanism is solid, but like with any equipment, keeping your fingers protected is a must. Another thing that sets this ramp apart is its versatility. Sure, it's designed with motorcycles in mind, but it's also perfect for loading dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs, lawnmowers, golf carts, and even bicycles. Basically, if it's got wheels and you need to load it into a vehicle, this ramp has got you covered. One last precaution to remember. This ramp is recommended for use with surfaces no more than 31 inches off the ground. Stick within that height and you'll be loading your gear with ease and safety every time. If you're someone who frequently hauls powersports equipment or yard tools and wants something reliable, durable, and easy to store, this aluminum folding ramp is a smart investment. It's the kind of gear you don't realize how much you need it until you have it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to test next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.